welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a spooky shoe unboxing. I went ahead and I purchased a pair of spooky flats from strangecvlt. I've seen them all around my Instagram. I follow them. I see them at like the spooky little events that I go to, and I never picked any up, and they're very hard to get online because they're sold out of like every size of any kind of shoe design. So I went ahead and I picked them up from a different seller. I'll go ahead and link it down below, and they do have a few other people that sell their shoes, so I'll go ahead and link those down below if you guys can't get them off of their actual website. But if you're new to my channel, hello, welcome. My name is Sabrina. Nice to meet you. Go ahead and subscribe and like this video, and yeah, let's get into the unboxing. So this is what the box looks like. It just looks like this. It's black and it has a red design right here. It says strangecvlt. You can see that. So I went ahead and I got the ghost flats, and I got them in a size 8. I'm kind of in between sizes right now because since I lost weight, my foot has shrunk, but some of the 8s fit me and some of them don't. So this particular one, they were sold out of the 7.5, so I went with the 8. So let's see if they fit. So this is what the inside looks like. It has like this really pretty spider web, black and red, what is this called, tissue paper. Let's open it up. Okay, and then the shoe comes in this little dust bag, which is nice. And these are all made by vegan leather, if you guys are wondering. So this is what the shoe looks like. Look at how cute it is. Little ghost. When I saw the picture online, I didn't know that half of it was like a baby blue color, but it's still very, very cute. The inside of the shoe has the little ghosty design as well. These are very, very sturdy as well. And they're really cute. So the bottom just looks like this. If you can tell, it has like a little bit of traction, so you're not gonna like slip or fall or any of that. And these, I believe they're $60. I'll put it right here if I'm wrong, but they're $60. They come in a bunch of ones. The next ones I want to get is the little jack-o'-lantern ones. I think I'm going to get like the orange ones with the little black jack-o'-lantern face. So these are what the shoes look like. Let me go ahead and take out the other one. These are what the shoes look like. They're so cute and I can't wait to wear them. I'm going to go ahead and try them on for you guys so you guys can see how they look. They might be, like I said, a little big, but I know that you can buy like these little inserts that go in the back that will make them a little bit tighter, because like again, I'm between sizes. But yeah, this is what they look like and they're adorable. Okay, so let's go ahead and try them on and then I'll come back and end the video. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a quick little one. I just wanted to unbox them before I wore them and show you guys them. Again, all the links to the seller and where you can get them will be linked down below. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have ever heard of this brand or you guys have any of these flats. Let me know, and I will see you guys next time for another video.